Good morning. Good morning to each and everyone, to all my subscribers out there, and to all my followers. Okay. Time check as 7:30 in the morning. Okay, here in the Philippines, Philippine time. Good morning. Okay, this morning I want you to identify this. According to some experts, this is a black beauty meteorite that originates from Mars. So this is Martian meteorites. Black beauty meteorites is the rarest and the greatest meteorites in the world. Okay, like this. Okay, we focus on the meteorite. Okay, this is the actual appearance of the black beauty meteorites, guys, that originates from Mars. Okay, that one here. You can see white flecks, and also a fusion cross here. Thumb brands. Hey, these burns cause the long time travel from the galaxy with the heat of the sun. That's why it burns, but fortunately it doesn't melt. They landed on Earth. Okay. According to some experts on the history of meteorites, this specimen came from other planets. Like Mars, most of the meteorites here in the Philippines are Mars because Mars is near the nearest planet in the Earth. Okay, let's focus. Okay, this is the sign of a meteorite, guys. Okay, like this. Okay. That one here. This meteorite is magnetic, guys. Okay, you see magnet penetrates here. Yeah. But this is not 100% magnetic because this is only a Martian meteorite, guys. All Martian meteorites are not 100% magnetic, but they actually attracts magnet. Okay? That, guys, huh? Black beauty meteorites from Martian. Okay? Okay, you can comment on if you have an idea about this, you have knowledge about black beauty meteorites. For more info, guys, this meteorites reaches 8.9 kilos. So if we divide this into 4, that is only a small stone, that is 3.4 inches. 3.4 inches, and each which is amazing because 8.9 kilos. Okay, most of the stone like this size cannot reach 8 kilos. It reach only 2.5 to 3 kilos, guys, because that is only a small stone. Okay, I put it on the top of the table and the side of the table, guys. Okay, I wanna sell this meteorite, guys, if there are buyers accordingly. Okay, you can contact me directly for a fast transaction, guys. Okay, or black beauty meteorites from the Philippines. Okay, if I have time, if I can provide cutter here, if I can buy cutter, if I have financial, I will divide this into 4. If we divide this into 4, this is 2.2 kilos plus each. So that others can afford the price. Okay, for those who have internet there, you have to search for this kind, the black beauty meteorite. You can search this one here on the internet, especially geology students, geology instructors and meteorites collectors. Okay, if you are interested on this, you can send me a direct message. Right, that one guys, oh, that one. Okay, focus it on our camera. Okay, I'm so sorry for the pictures or for my video guys. It's not it's too light and medyo dark. It's because of my old camera. I'm using only an old camera because I can't afford to buy a camera, guys. Sir, ma'am. So I really need financial for to buy high quality camera. Okay. Okay. But anyway, we can identify through these guys. Yes. Black Beauty meteorites from Mars. Alright, I think that's all. Thank you very much. And good morning. Good morning to all, and don't forget to subscribe to be updated on my next video.